These birds are natural birds. These are the birds that God told Adam to name. Yeah, they are natural birds made by God's own hand. These are not machine made. These birds are not machine made. Yeah, these are the birds supposed to eat. Yeah, we raise them in pen, fowl coop. Put them in fowl coop. Yeah, raise them in fowl coop. And we purge them out. Purge them out for a week or two with water and single Bible and water grass. And we cook them. Kill them and cook them. Meat pretty and taste nice. Look pretty like beef and taste nice. Put them in the pressure pot. If you don't have pressure pot, I don't know how true to be here. You can put a young papa. Cook a young papa in the pot to make the meat get tender. So these are the bird, natural bird. All you need is a pair of them. A cock and a hen. In no time, you can multiply and have a lot of birds. A whole lot of them. And the eggs, we eat them eggs. That's the best egg too. The best egg. These eggs are not machine egg. The best egg to eat.